What happens to Harbor Freight gloves after 2 days? Well, the side rips out, the thumb rips out, a hole rips in the side, and they just generally fall apart. The only place these belong is the dump. Well, it's clean out day 2, episode 3. I'm gonna do a little smell test. Well, much better than it was yesterday, that's for sure. Yeah, it's actually not too bad at all. The goal is to get all the debris on the floor thrown away, taken to the dump, and then start working on the drywall and insulation and whatever else. So, only thing left to do is start cleaning up. Well, all of the nasty is gone. That's a big step in the right direction. Well, just got back from the dump. That was 0.9 tons, $68. By far the worst experience I've had at the dump ever, shoveling that crap out of the bed. I couldn't get my shovel more than 3 inches into the pile, and I'd hit a stick, I'd hit a can. It was horrible. Spent like 45 minutes trying to get all the crap out the bed of the truck. Had to take the trailer off and back the truck up separately. Pretty bad. Well, I'm gonna eat lunch, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more cleaning. Alright, about to make my final dump run. Every last content, with the exception of little crap on the floor here and there, and some blankets that I'm going to use as trash bags later, is gone from the house, and the kitchen is cleaned up and demolished. So I'm going to give one entire walkthrough with this crappy little flashlight. Here's the furnace room closet. Right now I'm on the right side of the house, the end of the house. There's 2 bedrooms. On one end of the house, the kitchen and the living room in the middle, and then a master bedroom on the other end. So I'm in the kids' bedroom right now, all cleaned out. Everything looks salvageable in here to me. Maybe just a little bit of drywall patching, but the windows are fine. And honestly, they're not new, but they're not from 1950, so that's nice. Walking over here into the other kids' room, it's all cleaned out with the exception of some, kids' little bits and pieces on the floor. That's that same closet. And look at the slope here on the house. I'm going to correct. It's crazy how much that's sloped. The floor feels kind of level, but that middle wall is just caving in. And the roof, I don't understand. The roof is level from the outside too. But anyway, yeah, here's the other kids' room cleaned out. Here is the living room that you've seen a million times. The bathroom to the right. Still got to tear out that tub, but everything else is gone. And the drywall, but there's the kitchen. Kitchen's completely gutted, with the exception of the subfloor, which I am gonna have to gut to fix those joists and the sill plate and whatnot. This room is still the most dirty room. It's got the washer and dryer, 2 cabinets on the wall that you probably can't see very well, the water heater, and the well pressure tank thing. All right, back into the kitchen, or back into the living room. In the living room, here is the parents' bedroom. Everything is off the wall in here except for the stuff that's like screwed to the studs I couldn't rip off. The windows in here need replaced, unfortunately. Either that or I gotta figure out, yeah, they need replaced. But anyway, there's the parents' closet. For some reason, all the walls in this closet, just the closet, are made of OSB. So I don't think it's like structural, but it's strange. Flashlight's dying. There's all the ladies' cigarette butts who lived in here. But yeah, the house is clean. Once again, here's the living room. Hopefully that gives you a little bit more understanding of the layout and the work I got to do. Probably tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be nothing but construction materials in the trailer taken to the dump, so that's nice. It'll lay a lot more flat. I can get a lot more weight in that trailer just with drywall and whatnot. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to take this load to the dump. Don't need to show you that. It's only going to cost $15, something like that. It's not very heavy. Tomorrow I'm going to start tearing out all this black drywall, and I'm going to see what I can do to save the walls in the farther away rooms. Maybe, but probably not the ceilings, considering the severe heat they've undergone. It's so hot that the tape started coming off. I don't think the firefighters, well, maybe the firefighters sprayed the walls and the tape came off. Anyway, oh, guess I gotta throw away this TV really quick. But yeah, next video, tomorrow, tearing out drywall. And that's about it. Tear out drywall, tear out the carpet, maybe get into the subfloor a little bit, but we'll see. See you then.